This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need an optimized base. Start now by switching to a business or creator account so you get analytics and contact tools. Next, define 1 to 3 audience segments so every post aims at a real buyer. Once done, rewrite your bio with a single, clear CTA and a one-click link to a landing page or lead form. This sets up measurable traction. Without it, impressions won't convert. Make sure your contact button and stories swipe link are active before posting. Now execute a repeatable content funnel. You will publish 3 pillars: teach something useful, show social proof, then present a low-friction offer. Use Reels and Stories daily to maximize reach, vary formats and keep clips short. When people engage, funnel them to a landing page with a lead magnet or a short form. If they DM, follow a 2-step workflow: qualify, then book or send link. This structure converts attention into tracked leads and lets you optimize each step. Finish by turning leads into customers. Set an autoresponder and a 24 to 48 hour follow-up cadence, then segment new leads by interest so messaging stays relevant. Use simple retargeting ads on Instagram for people who engaged but didn't submit. A /B test CTA wording, creative, and landing copy to lift conversion rates. If you get few leads, audit ad targeting, CTA clarity, and mobile load time. Make sure your landing page loads under 3 seconds and fix the highest friction step first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.